How to register on the Pak Identity app and complete verification so it appears on your phone home screen. First, go to the Play Store or App Store and search for Pak Identity. Then open this app. You will see the app, which already has over 5 million installs. Go ahead and install it. Once it is installed, open the app. Then skip this page. If you are creating a new account, tap on Register. A new page will open. Scroll down to fill out the registration form. In the first option, select the name of the SIM network for the number you want to use to create your account. In the next box, type that same mobile number. Then enter your email address. Create a strong password and re-enter it in the Confirm Password field. Below that you will see yes and no options. Leave it on yes as it is already selected by default. Now enter your identity card NIC number. Scroll down again. You will find two options. You can either select issue date or date of birth. If you choose issue date, type your NIC issue date. If you select date of birth, type your birth date. Once done, tap Next. You will receive a verification code on your phone number or email. Copy and paste it into the app. After that, you will see a message saying your account has been successfully created. Now you can go to the login page. Now allow and give the notification permission. When logging in, you will see two options. You can either log in using your NIC number or your email. Enter your details and tap Login. The app will ask for location permission. Select while using the app. After, give the permission of take pictures and record video. Next, the app will ask which camera would you like to use to take a photo. Make sure you are in a well-lit place. Keep your face inside the frame. Avoid wearing hats, glasses, or masks. If someone else is taking your photo, choose the back camera. If you are taking a selfie, select the front camera. My picture has started capturing. After taking the picture, tap Apply. Then click Done. Your photo will be verified successfully. Now for fingerprint verification, tap on Proceed. Then tap to verify fingerprint. You will see instructions on how to place your fingers. First, tap on Left. Then tap Continue. Place your fingers as shown to complete the scan. Once it is done, tap Next. That is it. Your account is now fully verified. You can log in again anytime to access your account easily. Now log into your account again. After logging in, check the box to agree, then tap Accept and Continue. This is how you can register and verify your account on the Pak Identity app. If you face any issue, feel free to ask in the comments. We hope this guide helped you. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech content.